来看西班牙政府第二日表示讲，伊朗的西洋棋女子选手哈德已经正式取得西班牙公民的身份咯。哈德伫去年底伫哈萨克比赛时无挂头巾，今年1月因为烦恼讲会防处分，所以人就踮伫西班牙。也毋过哦，伊朗政府对伊发布通缉，要甲伊掠转去伊朗。
在西班牙司法部长宣布之下，无伫头巾参加西洋棋比赛，伊朗女棋手哈德已经有西班牙国籍。官方公布指出，如果是因为考虑哈德的特殊情形，哈德是伫去年12月伫哈萨克参加世界西洋棋锦标赛时阵，无遵守政府爱戴伊斯兰头巾的规定。
All the things happened in Iran. I thought if I go to a tournament and I have to play with the headscarf, I prefer not to go at all. So I decided to do it this time without the headscarf. There are lots of rights that differs women and men, so it's not really gender equality.
路透社报道，伊参加比赛被翕到无戴头巾，伊朗政府对伊发出逮捕令，然后伊无回国转去西班牙。迄时阵，伊朗国内也都因为22岁无戴头巾，互警方关押期间死亡艾米尼，一直发生反政府暴动。哈德是烦恼遭到报复。
To know that there was an arrest warrant back at home was something that I was not really happy about because that was the moment I realized maybe I cannot go back. And losing the right to go back to your homeland I think it was the most horrible thing that happened.
哈德互路透社采访时阵表示，对家己无戴头巾的抗议举动无后悔。今年1月，哈德甲西班牙总理桑切斯见面，各路一般棋表示友好。桑切斯表示家己受哈德的启发。公司新闻恩文玲报道。